Hello everyone, it's Peter here. Guys, we got a PS4 Slim, which I bought as a faulty one, and I've got a second one which I start to work on, okay? And I've got a problem because when I'm taking a wire, this one, okay, I've got 240 volt. Okay, so I know, you can look here if you wanna. I know that the current is there. 248, yes, so that should be okay. When I plug it in, look here, okay, I'm pressing this button, nothing, so the power supply is faulty. Okay, so because I was showing on the other video how to open it, I won't be showing on this one. Let's open it and let's see what we can see inside, because if this power supply is faulty and that one which I'm fixing is good, if we can place it and this can work, then I can say to the customer, look, I can fix it for you, like replacing the main board, and I can give a cost. If that will be something valuable for me, then I can keep, you know, this faulty main board, yes, for myself, this faulty PS for myself. But yes, but I need to first check what's going on, so bear with me, I'll open it and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I came back, and you know what, there was actually a customer which I had to help, and I just finished that one. That was a commercial work truck, ECU faulty. But anyways, long story short, here I've opened it, yes, and it turns out that what I found, this cable was loose. And if you don't know, at PS4 this cable is a power cable, so that goes to the power button, reset button, and the buzzer, yes. So guess what happened, I've plugged it in, okay, plug it in. Let's plug in HDMI as well, and let's press the power button. Oh, voila. Okay, so we see that the blue light is on, so there's no problem with power supply, and we've got a PS logo. Now I've got a hard drive here, so we can assume there will be an error, of course, and I was lucky to get a game. Where's my game? Where's my game? Don't remember what. Here is a title. Okay, so that game was inside. So I bought faulty PS4. I have a Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Free gift. And now will be an error because there is no hard drive. Hard drive is here. What the hard drive is? If it's 500, I would upgrade it to 1000. I mean to 1 tera. But you know, like, who cares? Okay, so cannot start PS4, yes, because cannot access storage system, and it's a white light, yes. So if it's white, that's mean good, yes. So press 1 second and you will switch it back off, if you can manage to press it for 1 second. Voila. That's weird, because I've got with least work, I've got a working PS4 Slim. Now let's boot it up and see, because I haven't done it yet. Okay, so you're the first. There is an issue with the drive. Okay, it's loud, too loud. Here. So I need to open it and see what's causing that, but it is fine. Okay, so let's see, because I don't know, you know, I don't know what it is, but you see it's working. Yes, welcome back. Press the PS5 button. Guys, so I can say happy days. I bought a PS4 Slim, it's working, bought it for profit or for spares. So I can go to that customer and can say, you know, like, okay, so do you want to swap? Yes, that's a working one. I'll only fix this Blu-ray, and he can have it even today if he wants. Yes, I can record another recording because it's only 5 minutes, you know, but I can record another recording about this Blu-ray drive. But as you see, you can be really lucky sometimes and buy something which is easy to fix. So it's worth learning electronics. Thank you guys. Thank you for liking. Those who liked, double like for you. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.